Assalamu alaikum and welcome to our podcast series, It Takes a Village to Raise a Child. At CSI, we've had multiple conversations with parents, with educators, our own academic team, and the school community at large, as well as the different societal actors and stakeholders about education in Pakistan, and especially what it means to educate children in these uncertain and changing times. So, our first episode today is Beyond the Report Card, learning beyond the report card. And for that, we have invited our two esteemed parents from our school. They are pioneering parents at CSI. And this conversation is not just about something that we are discussing today. This has come about from our coffee mornings, our interactions with them, and some key thoughts and insights that would help us understand what we all think about learning and how can we shape that learning in terms of our students and our children's future here in Pakistan and for the larger world and life. I will begin by introducing a very esteemed parent body that we have. They are pioneering parents. They have been with us for the last 2 years in this journey at CSI. And I will begin by introducing Ms. Kuba. She has 3 children studying here with us, the eldest in class 7, then class 6, and the youngest is in KG. Ms. Sara Arsalan, another pioneering parent here. इनके 2 बच्चे हैं हमारे पास, बड़े वाले जो हैं वो क्लास 6 में हैं और जो छोटी हैं वो हमारे पास क्लास 3 में हैं. And Dr. Faizan here, again a parent who's been with us from the very beginning, and he has 3 children here studying with us, the eldest in class 4 and then class 2, and the youngest is in class KG. Zabardast. So we have a range of representation from different grade levels to add to that conversation and to add meaning to that. So I would first of all like to thank you for your continued support and kind of sharing of insights and sharing of perspectives, because ये हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम किस तरीके से देख रहे हैं और किस तरीके से एज अ स्कूल ऐड कर रहे हैं वैल्यू टू द बिगर एजुकेशन डिस्कशन. My first question would be that when you hear the word learning beyond the report card, what does this mean to you personally?
Not considering the grades at all.
Okay.
Not at all. Like from the beginning, we are old school parents basically. तो हमें ये होता है कि हम बहुत ज़्यादा कंसिडर करते हैं ग्रेड्स को कि हमारा बच्चा जो पढ़ रहा है उसके ग्रेड्स क्या आ रहे हैं. बट यहाँ आने के बाद आई बिलीव के बिल्कुल एक यू टर्न है, एक प्रॉपर यू टर्न है. आप टोटली रिलाई नहीं करते ग्रेड्स पे. आपको पता चल रहा होता है आपका बच्चा क्या क्या किस चीज़ में लर्न कर रहा है. पर्सनैलिटी बिल्डिंग इज़ द मेन पार्ट. तो आई बिलीव के ग्रेड्स आर नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर मी नाउ.
Not just grades are important. Okay, right.
So thank you for having me here, Ms. Fakra, first of all. So I have always said this to you, that grades do not matter to me. At every SLC, I come, the teachers show me the children's report cards and I say that I don't even want to open it. Okay. I know where my child stands. I know मेरे बच्चे को कितना आता है, उसकी कितनी learning है. These things don't matter to me. Education is not scoring well in exams. It's about exploring the world, understanding what's happening around them. Brilliant. It's about being able to survive in every situation, to be able to thrive in every situation. So scoring for me was never anything at all.
Great.
Thank you for having us here, ma'am. And I feel like this is another just a feather in the hat of keeping the parents engaged and creating a broader awareness among the parents. And there are so many things we keep fidgeting about as parents in general, irrespective of which school they are going to. So this feels like a great initiative to create that awareness. Coming to the idea of beyond the report card, I feel like this is a holistic approach. How are we bringing up our kids? हमारे बच्चों की सिर्फ education और तालीम जो कि एक बहुत अहम उनसर है उनकी ओवरऑल पर्सनैलिटी का, लेकिन हम उनको परवरिश और उनको हम सिखा क्या रहे हैं अक्रॉस द बोर्ड फॉर बिकमिंग एन इंक्लूसिव एंड होलिस्टिक पर्सन ओवरऑल। तो ये पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट का एक हिस्सा लगता है मुझे कि सिर्फ रिपोर्ट कार्ड ही नहीं, आपका जो एक जीता जागता जो इंसान सामने खड़ा है उसकी रिपोर्ट क्या है, और वो सिर्फ कागज़ नहीं बता सकती।
So these are some. So I do hear a shift here in from where we started, and now your outlook and how you look at your child's learning, how that has changed. So can you also give an example of your children's learning, which was very meaningful, but which was not reflected in the grade, right? So आपको पता था कि आपके बच्चे ने ये सीखा, कोई एक immense meaningful learning has taken place, मगर that was not reflected in the grades. Is there an example of that?
Exactly, मैम जैसे स्टार्ट में मैडम ने कहा कि हम कन्वेंशनल सिस्टम से आने के बाद पर्सनली आई स्टिल रिमेंबर द फर्स्ट डे I was perhaps the most resistant in this new system of education, like being a doctor or an engineer, that could, if that stereotypical convention used to exist when we were kids, there were 2-3 professions and there was a very given code of success.
Yes.
So coming from that system, like those remembering timetables by heart and things like that, writing कैसी है, and being a parent like that, तो मुझे याद है कि सबसे ज़्यादा perhaps many resistance, I was one of the most resistant people. मैंने काफ़ी चीज़ें mention की कि ऐसे नहीं हो रहा, ऐसे नहीं हो रहा, but now looking back after the journey of these 2 years, it feels like a totally different ball game, and you have that awareness from other sources as well, that how quickly things are changing. Some of the skills that we feel like we cannot live without as of today, in 2-3 days time they won't be existing. To answer that question, that yes, just outside of the realm of those books, overall how kids have started behaving, how they interact with us, that shows their learning. For example, I still remember they have become more inquisitive. This is something that I found was new, that how their observation, how they are observant of us, we have to as parents put in effort now to stay at par with their questions.
True.
This is what I feel is something that was really, it just was something that shook me off my feet, that this is something that a conventional system perhaps cannot deliver.
So क्या मैं यहाँ पे कह सकती हूँ कि एक इंग्लिश का ग्रेड में बच्चे का जो भी ग्रेड आया है सच, that does not reflect a child's overall ability to communicate, to put their thinking into
Not at
expression.
all.
That does not. So it might not really match.
Absolutely.
So hence, report cards provide us just a little.
Sakra, I'd
Any
like
other
to
example?
quote something here. It is said that it's not how smart you are, it's how you are smart.
Oh wow.
And this school has brought out these sparks in our children. They have showed them how you can be smart in something. I have seen it in my children that they now face failures at as somebody's success. You know, they don't just
Yes.
say that it's my failure. They appreciate others for their success. They celebrate their success. My child has learned to make choices in an uncertain environment.
That's
Not just to score well in exams. And once the foundation is strong, I believe the child automatically adapts to the system of learning.
True.
Because ultimately they have to go on for their O levels and A levels. They are so well with their understanding, their critical thinking, that they can easily adapt to the increasing pressures of the higher grades, I feel.
Yeah. Great. Thank you for that example. Anything from your side?
Absolutely, as Sarah said, कि वो we can see everything in our children now. Like starting में again, as Sir said, कि I was also resistant and I literally like came to you and asked कि ये कैसे चलेगा, ये मतलब ऐसे मतलब ये तो हमें बहुत आदत होती है कि homeworks मिल रहे हैं and we have to sit with them, उनके साथ हमें करवाना पड़ता है. So it was a great shift. It was a big shift for me कि मैं बैठती नहीं हूँ उनके साथ. They do themselves. कि मतलब this is something कि आपको एकदम से बहुत आप resistant हो जाते हैं और reluctant होते हैं on being honestly. अब वही again कि दोबारा से वही बात कि एक ही चीज़ पे आप जब कंटिन्यू रहते हैं तो जब एक बड़ा डिफरेंस आता है तो आपको absorb करते करते थोड़ा टाइम लगता है. So it's a big change in my children as well कि वो खुद से लर्न करते हैं, जो लर्न करते हैं आके प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, होमवर्क्स करते हैं. और आई एम अमेज्ड कि हाउ दे प्रेजेंट देमसेल्व्स एसएलसीज में, एंड वी कैन सी इट कि वो जिस तरह से प्रेजेंट कर रहे होते हैं. सो टीचर दिस टाइम उन्होंने मुझसे पूछा कि आपने हेल्प किया है, तो मैंने कहा नो नॉट एट ऑल. लास्ट ईयर से मैंने एक दफ़ा भी
लेट गो कर दिए.
बिल्कुल.
यू लर्न टू लेट गो.
यस, क्योंकि मुझे आपने ही मुझे बोला कि लेट देम, उनको ज़रा करने दो. सो दिस इज़ हाउ दे आर नाउ. सो वी कैन सी एवरीथिंग इन देम नाउ कि हमें उनको ये नहीं कर कहना पड़ता कि प्लीज़ डू दिस, प्लीज़ डू दैट. उनको पता है कि हमने इस वक्त ये करना है, इस वक्त ये नहीं करना.
Great. Acha, this brings me to another, and this is very valuable because I do understand as a parent as well that all parents support their children's learning in their own way, and that वो जो भी support घर पे provide कर रहे होते हैं, जो उनको दे रहे होते हैं, उसमें जो वो खुद से कर रहे होते हैं बच्चे के लिए, और जो स्कूल में एक्चुअली हो रहा होता है उसमें कोई मुताबिकत नहीं होती है. स्कूल का अपना एक तरीका होता है, पेरेंट्स का एक अपनी सोच होती है कि मैं तो बच्चे को करवा भी रहा हूँ, तो एक गैप आ जाता है. सो क्या ऐसा होता है या होना चाहिए या हुआ जिसने आपको मदद दी ये समझने में कि क्या स्कूल में क्या हो रहा है और घर पे आपने उसको किस तरह से सपोर्ट करना है? हाउ वर यू इंक्लूडेड इन दैट प्रोसेस ऑफ लर्निंग? If you could let us know about that.
I can give an example for that. जब आप लोग एक प्रोजेक्ट सिलेक्ट करते हैं तो हमें घर पे एक फॉर्म आ जाता है
ठीक.
कि ये प्रोजेक्ट है, ये ऐसे चलेगा, और आप अपनी इंसाइट्स दें कि आपको क्या लगता है इसमें क्या क्या हो सकता है. मुझे याद है कि जब लास्ट टाइम जो प्रोजेक्ट आया उसमें बताया गया, अब मैं थोड़ी सी ना एक्साइटेड हो जाती हूँ कि हाँ ये भी हो सकता है, ये भी हो सकता है. एंड आई गेव माई इंसाइट. And I saw that on the day they displayed their project, I saw my imagination was brought to life there, and the kids had created a cave और उसके अंदर cave writings and everything. मैंने वो लिख के दिया कि ऐसे भी हो सकता है, और actually वो reflect हुआ. So we really felt included. You know, आप लोग you give this ownership of school, और parents को ownership I think लेनी चाहिए, because हम सारे एक ही goal achieve कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, अपने बच्चे के लिए. तो आई थिंक अगर हम दोनों सेम पेज पे नहीं होंगे, इफ़ यू आर नॉट स्पीकिंग द सेम लैंग्वेज, द स्कूल एंड द होम, हमारा बच्चा कभी ग्रो नहीं कर सकता.